Alright, so if you have this rear tire tread depth low schedule service thing, inspect for rotation and whatever, if you're getting this message and you want to get rid of it, you feel your tires have already rotated or you already rotated them and you're fine, or you're just driving on your tires even after they said you should replace them, because my tires had a lot of tread still. But anyways, you go into that, you press the little car here, right? Then you go to service, go to wheel and tire, then you go to tires, and then you just go to reset here, all right? And that will reset the thing. You can see update complete, limit hard acceleration in the first few minutes of driving to ensure vehicle calibration. So basically it's trying to calibrate the wheel sizes. And yeah, also, if you didn't already see, they added this where you can now change to these black rims. I don't know if that's a new rim that Tesla added to their cars. I think it might be. But I have aftermarket ones that look like that, so I changed it to that. You can see they have this Gemini metallic shadow. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.